It's a nice glass.
Same glass.
Sorry?
Same glass.
Same glass. No, खाली it's more fancy. Fancy looking.
इसमें जब दे
हाँ. नहीं मुझे पता है मेरे दादा बोलते थे जब मेरे दादा इधर जर्मनी और उधर थोड़ा काम स्विट्जरलैंड में काम करते थे कि वो ऐसे ही ग्लास में देते हैं उधर भी लाइक यूरोप में अनलेस वो बड़ा वाला वो 500 ml या वो बड़ा वाला वो वाले उस अक्टूबर हाँ वो बड़े वाले ग्लास में देते हैं मगर 330 ml जो छोटे पाइंट है वो ऐसे ग्लासेस में ही देते हैं उधर भी तो वेरी फैंसी ओके थैंक यू नीपा सो नीपा इज व्हाट न्यू इंग्लैंड IPA राइट
Nipa's what?
New England. Hey, was daily beer review time. I score beers out of 100. Another episode. It's fine. Another episode with Himanshi. Look at these nice fancy glasses. We are Dulali. We are having the Nipa, the New England IPA, Indian Pale Ale. I have not tried this. She said she loves it, so it's her recommendation, and we are going to try it. It's wait, wait. 8% ABV. Again, 330 ml for 330 rupees. What is it made out of? You know what? We'll guess it. We'll guess it, and then I'll call him and we'll ask what it's made out of. All right. Let's see if my beer knowledge is increased at all or it's bad. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thoughts? Go on.
I can't guess what it's made out of, but I like it.
It's just definitely a lot of hops. A lot of hops, like fresh hops, because it's bitter and like that solid hop smell comes. There's some citrusy fruit. Not bananas. Excuse me. आपको पता होगा इसमें कौन सा फ्रूट डाला है नीपा में? ऑरेंज या कुछ मिक्स फ्रूट है?
Got
उनको
some-
पता होगा क्या? आपको पता?
It has an orangey
He has got something sour.
something, yeah. Citrus.
इसमें कौन सा फ्रूट्स डाला है आपको पता है क्या? कुछ आइडिया है? It is something citrusy.
Yeah.
और अब इसमें ग्रेन कौन सा रहता है? वही malted barley रहता है. But it's nice. It's
It
very
is. I
fresh.
really like it. See, it's not that strong.
Yeah, means it is. It's bitter, but it's fine. It's
Yeah.
it's not a terrible bitterness.
Yeah.
It's just very crafty. It's way more like I haven't had such a crafty beer. It's got too many flavors to it.
Yeah.
What else?
What else?
What else? What else do you think? It's like you on the call, like yeah, what's up, man? What else? Yeah, go on.
और बता.
और
क्या?
बता- और what draws you to this? Like, what makes you
I
like it
feel
so
like,
much?
like I said before, it's the high alcohol level.
Okay, just the
I don't
8%.
need too many of those if I get these. And yeah, I need my alcohol to be strong. It's not even bitter.
Wait, so what do you have apart from beer then? If you want a strong alcohol, do you have like soju and all of the stuff?
No.
Tequilas?
Tequila only for getting really wasted. But otherwise, gin. Gin is also good.
Gin.
Yeah.
I can't drink gin. Everybody likes gin. I dislike the taste of gin.
Even the flavored ones? Like
No,
the
I
pink
haven't-
ones?
I haven't tried those.
That's good. You should try it.
Because I dislike the taste of gin, and then someone said try gin and tonic, and that was
No.
I hated gin and tonic. Is,
Tonic doesn't. I don't think tonic goes well with gin. I
Okay.
think soda goes really well. Because
The only time I have gin is in LIT. That is all. LIT or what's the other one?
Another
gin.
mixed one?
No, gin cocktail. No, C or an N. Gin cocktails with an N.
Negroni.
Negronis, yeah, there you
Yeah,
go. Negroni.
I was
Negroni.
like, see?
No, no, N.
Surprisingly, I don't like Negronis.
I can do only tequila. I can do wine, tequila. I love picantes.
I love picantes. Oh my god, so good. See, if I could be a tequila girl, I would, but it fucks me up where the next 2 days I'm just horizontal. Nobody can bother me for 2 days. How
Really?
long does it take you to
Nothing.
get over?
Tequila gives me like the lightest hangovers ever.
It's supposed to be tequila soda is supposed to be no hangover.
Tequila and orange juice.
Oh, that I haven't tried.
Orange juice is supposed to be very good for, you get your vitamin C. Oh yeah, we are teaching you how to be, be healthy with your alcohol. Apart from the beer, you're getting so much knowledge over here.
Yeah.
Chugging it,
Oh God.
8% chugs. Remember, we are not alcoholics. You can disregard this entire conversation we had. We are just doing it for you. If someone wouldn't tell me it's an IPA, it almost tastes like a good Belgian wit beer, but like more
Yeah.
bitter.
Yeah.
Like a more bitter Belgian wit beer is kind of what it's giving.
Yeah. Again, I have failed to chug, but
fine.
it's fine.
That's fine. You'll get there. We will have a guest one day that, that chugs.
Better than you?
Yeah, I mean, I've met a few guys who said, yeah, we will definitely come and chug. So I'm sure they'll chug. Hopefully better than me.
Yeah.
It's not a competition. It's just something, it's for entertainment.
It is a
It's so that people insult me in the comment section. They go, oh, this guy is saying we are not alcoholics, and then he's just chugging it. Yeah, right, you're not alcoholics. So that people get angry.
Oh God.
I've had people get so mad at me in the comments.
So what is the trick to chugging? What do you do?
Nothing, it's just like water. Like if I have this glass of water, I mean, just like drinking.
But this has
It's just like
is
drinking
it?
water. The fizz, the soda.
yeah.
So that's what kind of makes it. I mean, you have to kind of disregard it and just drink it and then bow.
But do you take multiple gulps or just one big gulp?
Multiple. It's like you take a big gulp and you start drinking it until the time like more. It doesn't look very good on camera the way I'm showing it, but that's the technique.
Let me try.
Yeah, don't take small sips. Just be like, oh. Pause. Pause.
Never make me laugh when I'm drinking something. Oh God.
Hey, you can have a tissue.
It'll go on your phone only. I will practice this at home when nobody's making me laugh. And what else? Give goss?
Goss about who, what do you want?
I don't know about goss.
Love lives. You want to talk about
Yeah.
love life? Next episode, we'll talk about. She's done this. Next episode, we're going to talk about our love lives. All right. Rated out of 100.
Yours or mine?
What?
The
Not the
love
love
life.
life, the beer with Neeta. You can rate your love life out of 100 as well. Go on.
Oh God.
Mine is like at mine is at like the single digits right now. Yours is a 0. Mine's at around the single digits.
Oh, I have a question
Go
about
on.
that.
Go on.
It's like, I've fully gone red.
Okay.
Can I say it or you can cut it? It's fine.
Go.
I don't know a name. You can cut it, but it's not live. It's fine.
Okay, I'm pretty sure it's been caught on the mic. Wait, I can't cut it. You have to give it a rating and
Okay,
then
we
I
can-
can't shut the
We can give it a
out of 100. Go on.
out of 100. I think 95
95.
for me. Yeah.
Oh wow, that's huge. It's good. I don't think it's a 95, but it's a very good. It's very good. It's like a wit beer. It's a very good wit beer, but just more bitter, more hoppy, is what I'd put it as. I will give this an 82 out of 100. She's not finished hers, but yeah. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. And if there's some special beer you'd like to recommend, leave it in the comments section below. I'm going to try to hit every canned beer and every craft beer locally at first, and then beers all around the world. So thanks for joining me. Have a good day.